Hey, Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club from Southern California, remote location. Actually went to a card shop here looking for golf cards. I figured Palm Springs would have some golf cards, but I found a bunch of hockey cards on sale, so I bought a bunch. So Happy New Year, everyone. This is pack opening 109 from Palm Springs. Let's rip. This is Metal 2024-25 hockey. Here's a cool Prospects card. I got some constructive criticism that they love my rips, but I gotta go a little slower. So I will try to heed the advice. All right, just a common, but that's a good card right there. That's Luke Hughes, one of the three Hughes brothers. Here's a cool insert. These are my three favorites. That was a fun rip. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year, and God bless.